Howdy, it's Grizzly guys. Welcome back to Grizzly's Corn. Rustlers! Goddamn O'Driscolls. Anyhow, today we're going to be talking about pace count and how to measure that. Pace count is an old school land navigation technique. You use it to see how far you've gone when you're not using something like a GPS. Personally, I tend to enjoy it. And people have asked me what these are for. That's for pace count. Now to measure your pace count, you're going to have to count your steps. Measure 100 meters or 328 feet approximately. After that, you're going to choose one of your feet to go ahead and count off of, and I'll show you what that looks like. To measure that pace count, I'm going to pick one of your feet. I picked the left, and you're going to walk that 100-meter distance. When you start, you're going to step off with the opposite foot, and then you're going to go 1, 2, just in a normal gait, your normal walk. And once you've met that distance, you're going to do that 3 times total, add them together, divide by 3, and then you have your pace count. Now that you have that number, you're going to go ahead and keep track of every step you take on that foot while you're moving through the location. Every 100 meters you make, every time you hit that number, you're going to take one of these beads, you're going to move it down. There's 9 total on here, on this lower half. And once you get to all 9 being down, you're going to put one of these down, and you reset it. That right there is a kilometer. That is how you do your pace count. Stay safe, don't die. Marching home again, hurrah!